wanted to talk as well about the mastermind. You took it previously to our one-on-one coaching, and your insane statistics and results there during the mastermind.
Yeah, mastermind was crazy. I downloaded two online dating apps, and I installed them, and you created my profile on these two apps with the right text and intro, and yeah, the results after that, after being online, I call it like that, being online and having matches, and I have some statistics for you. I had within the 4 weeks on the two dating apps, I had 180 matches. I received around about 60 numbers. I had 20 dates, 12 times sex. I had during the time and after it, I succeeded to get 3 F+ women. It was so crazy that I even I remember I wrote you. I said, SOS Pat, I need help.
The text here. Yeah.
I have 10 dates on one weekend. I need some cool excuses to cancel them because it's too much. It's way too much to. You can't focus on any other thing, just like dating. It doesn't work.